do this for a change, you know? Yeah, a little bit.
Thunderstorm warning for. The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Bullitt County in southeastern Alabama. 40 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
We already had this warning.
Radar indicated.
You guys are slow.
Along a line extending from near Bleecker to near Tuskegee to near Wall, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
You guys are slow.
Franklin Field, Beans Crossroads, Shopton, Tenyard, Sedgefield, High Ridge, Harrode, Twin Springs, Rutherford, Three Notch, Mitchell, Simsville, and Uckey Creek. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Springs, Rutherford, Three Notch, Mitchell, Simsville, and Uckey Creek. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Bullock and Russell. What? Urban